Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to talk about 4 legit ways to make some money online. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new here, this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and the 4 legit ways that you can make money online. So the very first one I want to talk about is something that I've actually made some money on before, and it's called Shopify dropshipping. Now Shopify dropshipping doesn't cost a whole lot to do. What you do with that is you find some products that are interesting, put it on your Shopify store, and you can actually learn how to build a Shopify store in my earlier videos. And you build a Shopify store, you put these products for sale, and what you do then is you pay some influencers to sell your stuff. So influencers, you tell them to post what you're selling. They will sell it, put the link in the bio or in the story or anything like that, and people will buy from you. And that way you mark up the products, and all you have to do is order the products for the customer and it goes straight to them and you don't even touch the product. So that is a very good way. It's quite cheap. I stopped doing that because I don't really like the business model. But if you're just starting out, it's a very good way to learn marketing and all these different things. So Shopify is a very good way to do this. The next one is Amazon FBA. This one is a very good one as well, but you do need a little bit more money to do that. Because what you're going to do is you're actually going to white label some products. So you order the product and that's going to actually cost you some money. You ship it to Amazon, and they basically take care of the rest. Now, I don't know a whole lot about Amazon FBA, but I do know that there are a ton of people that are actually making a killing out of that. You can make very consistent money with that. Some people are making a killing, and I feel like it's a bit better than Shopify. However, if you don't have the money, you do want to start with something else, because if you don't have the money, you do want to start with something else, because it does cost about $1,000. You can start with a bit less, but not a whole lot. If you only have 100 in your bank account, then you can absolutely not do Amazon FBA. So you really have to choose which one you prefer, but be aware that Amazon FBA does cost you at least $1,000 or close to that. The next one is actually 2 different ones. So I'm going to post the 2 together because the next one is affiliate marketing, and this is something that I talk about a whole lot on this channel. This channel is mostly about affiliate marketing and how to do that. And the 4th one is YouTube. So the reason I put these 2 together is basically because they work hand into hand. So what you do is you're going to build an audience. And that can be an audience on YouTube, or it can be a blog. And the reason why I say these 2 and not something else is because we're talking about passive income, because then you can move on to something else. If you have Facebook and you're very good at Facebook, you can also do that, but you will have to post every day. And if you don't post that day, you will probably not make some sales. So that's the reason that I talk about YouTube and blogging, because people can find your content years from now. So affiliate marketing is just like you post a link that is just for you and you make some sales. So if you have an Amazon affiliate link and you post something and people click on your link and they buy whatever you're trying to sell, then you get a commission from it. And that the link is going to be given to you by anyone that has an affiliate program. So this can be basically any company, because most companies out there do have an affiliate system, or an affiliate program I should say. So that is a very good way to do that. And YouTube actually if you cross 1,000 subscribers, then you will start to make some income from that. Now, at the time of filming this video, I do not have 1,000 subscribers, but I do know that it actually works. There are a ton of people making quite a bit of money, but if you combine that with affiliate marketing, then you can absolutely make a killing, because YouTube ads will make you some money. You could absolutely make a living out of it, but affiliate marketing will just skyrocket your results, even if you do not have 1,000 subscribers. So, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every time I put a video out, and I'm putting out content every single day. So if you want to watch my other videos, I talk about that a whole lot, about how to make money online and passive income, so you do not want to miss out on that. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.